Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, enhancing proposal for India's AMCA engine program. Safran Aerospace, a global leader in aerospace technology, has significantly enhanced its proposal to jointly manufacture the 110 kN engine for India's ambitious advanced medium combat aircraft program. In a major development, the French company has offered to provide complete TOT, that is technology transfer, of the engine including its critical hot sections. This move signifies a significant step forward in India's quest for self-reliance in aerospace technology. Under the new proposal, the engine will be entirely manufactured in India with components sourced exclusively from domestic companies. Next, addressing Hawk 132 engine blade issue. HAL is exploring collaboration with Indian private sector companies to address the issue of short life turbine blades in the Rolls-Royce Turbomeca Adore Mk951 turbofan engine powering the Hawk 132 advanced jet trainers in the Indian Air Force fleet. The problem of premature blade wear has been a persistent issue for the Adore engine, not just in India but also in other countries that operate the Hawk aircraft. While Rolls-Royce provided an interim solution a few years ago, it has yet to be implemented. Next, compressed development flight trials for Tejas Mk2 and AMCA programs. The Indian Air Force and HAL are gearing up for a critical phase in India's indigenous fighter aircraft development, with the first flight of the Tejas Mk2 planned for 2026 and the advanced medium combat aircraft Mk1 expected to take to the skies in 2028. The coordination between IAF and HAL will be tested as they conduct simultaneous development flight trials for these ambitious programs. Next, why private companies to develop MALE and HALE class UAVs and unmanned aerial vehicles reshape the global defense landscape. India is strategically positioned to enhance its indigenous UAV capabilities. The increasing reliance on UAVs, especially in the medium altitude long endurance and high altitude long endurance class, highlights the need for advanced locally developed systems that can meet the evolving demands of modern warfare. Next, TDF aims to rival DARPA. In a significant announcement made at the Khatre Memorial Talks, Samir V. Kaman, Secretary of the Department of Defense Research and Development and Chairman of DRDO, revealed that the Technology Development Fund, that is TDF, will now be on par with the Defense Advanced Research Program Agency, that is DARPA. The TDF aims to catalyze innovation in the defense manufacturing sector by providing financial support to industry-led technology development projects. Next, Indian startups make a mark at Yuddhabhyas 2024. The 20th edition of the India-US Joint Military Exercise Yuddhabhyas has showcased a remarkable array of advanced technologies and capabilities. This year's exercise, held at the Mahajan Field Firing Ranges in Rajasthan, featured larger scale operations with enhanced joint command, intelligence sharing and cutting edge technology integration. Next, securing major order for torpedo homing system. Apollo Microsystem Limited has achieved a significant milestone by securing a rupees 10.90 crore order from Bharat Dynamics Limited for the development of innovative homing system for heavyweight torpedoes. Developed in collaboration with DRDO, the breakthrough technology will enhance the capabilities of India's underwater warfare arsenal. Thank you.